Got Sheen. Here's HE. 2. Significantly stepping up the sheen on an already Odie's finished piece. Simply burnish the surface with an abrasive higher than your last sanding and apply another light application of Odie's oil. The higher the grit, the higher the sheen. This piece of steam kiln-dried walnut was originally sanded to 180 grit to really show the contrast. A 4000 grit abrasive was used. This works best on a finish that has had 5 days of cure time, but you can do it sooner using a little Odie safer solvent as a lubricant.